So this is mainly for Charlotte, I guess.
Tangents.
Okay, so actually this year they actually included stuff on the website they've never included before. So for example, you actually know the questions 1 to 4 are 2 marks each. Not that their total is 2 marks, that'd be funny. It's like 4 questions, 2 marks, half a mark
Oh,
each.
7 to 10 all 5.
Yeah, 7 to 10 used to be like 7 and 8 are 4, now it's like all 5. So in the first 1 to 8 is like 25 points, roughly a high distinction worth of questions, yeah? First 4 is like a credit, 5 and 6 maybe like a distinction, but there's no such thing as investigation, just ignore this bonus marks. They're not. What's the opposite of bonus? The hindrance. They take off your other marks.
Distraction.
Yeah,
Oh, distraction mark.
they distract your other marks.
I cannot guarantee that I can get the first 4 questions.
Okay, well the investigation is a bit of a hint on question 10. Okay, it's a generalization, so it gives you a hint on if your method for question 10 is what was intended or not.
Yes.
Okay, so the award criteria is the same as before, but like high distinction, top 10%. I think only high distinctions get on the website, yeah. And then distinction, top 25%. Credit is top 50%.
Have you got high distinction mark?
No.
Otherwise, I wouldn't.
Oh, yeah.
That's right.
Oh, that's really sad.
Okay, and look at these topics.
But inequalities.
Yeah, so there was literally one question on inequalities I saw. It was 20. Wait, why is that getting away from me? I have it right here. Yeah, something to question 9. What is lag? Yeah, so here's the inequality question we did. This one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a nice question.
And then this is like, parallels and similarity and circles. This is like expansion and factorization. This is sequences and series. Hopefully that's all familiar. There were some other ones. Yeah, this one's Diophantine equations. Bases. So if you look at this, maybe Charlotte should look at the topic list and say what you're not familiar with. So it seems like you know all of this stuff, yeah? And there was a nice question the other day with the 2019 question 8. Like a bit of expansion and factorization and like congruence, like modular arithmetic. Okay, Charles, do you have any questions about this?
How do I do it?
How do you do the questions?
Yeah.
So that comes under methods of proof.
Michael, can I ask a question about the similar?
Similarity?
Yeah,
Yeah.
but actually not related to AIMO, I think. If there are 2 polygons, their angles are same. Are they similar?
No. No.
Similar? No.
No.
How have you been sick for this long?
No. No, because you literally can make a parallel. If it's like the angles would be the same if you keep it parallel, right? So you could have it like down here.
Oh, like that.
Yeah.
And like that.
Yeah. So you can just move. You can move the parallel, make the lines parallel to the sides. Yeah. So like a regular hexagon is not similar to every other equiangular hexagon, you know?
Okay.
Okay.
Parallel lines.
Yeah. I feel like Charlotte, you need to answer these more detailed. You can't just be like, okay, I've heard of the word counting before, done. It's more like, see how I had an example of a sequence question? The sequences, I think you're just expected to know the definition of them and the notation, which you should be well more than familiar with, yeah? But that's what I mean about details. Okay, it's not like you know what proofs are.
I don't think I'm gonna. I think I'm gonna run out of time.
Run out of time, no. Do the questions you know how to, like, you're sure you can get first, and then, well, maybe, yeah, so there's some questions, sometimes it's worth 4 marks and it's really easy to get the answer. Yeah.
Should you just learn from the start? Like,
Not if you're trying to go for, like, if you're trying to get a perfect score, then you can kind of do it in whatever order you want, right? Whereas for a lot of people, they really only can do the starting questions. So it looks like they're going at the start.
7 to 8.
See, there was like some question 10s which are like actually like really easy to write the solution down. You could do that first even, but usually it's like the 8th question is the hardest one, and then 9th question is not that hard, and then 10th is hard again. It's kind of like the end of every
I
section
should
is
do
hard.
everything up to 7.
What?
wait, usually
Oh,
to get into
that's
camp in
fine.
year 9, you usually need like just
Yeah.
HC.
No, Charlotte, you should be aiming to get like 9 or 10 questions. Yeah. Whimpers. But like, not at the same time, right? When you start, you're aiming to get one question, and then when you finish that question, you aim to get another question. You get another question. You know what I'm saying?
Last time I got stuck on question 4 for like 2 hours.
Yeah, you don't want to do that.
Fractions.
I think in 2019 or something, it was either 18 or 19. Everyone got stuck on like question 2 for like an hour, and they got it wrong still. They got it wrong still.
Yeah, I swear I remember that question.
Which
Yeah.
question was it?
It was like a base question, interpreted in base 7, interpreted in base 7, or something
Oh,
else.
it's the one that he couldn't do. Oh, yeah. That was the one we struggled on in one.
Okay, now I know my interest
We
is
all
not
started
being.
it.
Yes. Alright, is there any more questions about this?
I guess I have to ask a question.
But you know what these topics are, right? You can go read my book. Alright, that's it. I'm not repeating this ever again. Oh crap, I might have to repeat it one more time tomorrow.
Repeating it.